Well, this time around, we're going to draw a very jolly looking guy. So we are going to start off, of course, with our big circle. And we're going to do 2 more circles because this guy has got some big cheeks. He's going to be very jolly. Let's throw in those eyeballs. There we go. And of course, we got to do the nose. Let's see, we're going to do 1 more circle here. Just sort of fill this face out. Now we're going to have a big smile. There we go. Do the little cheeks there. And let's see, we're going to, off of here, we're going to do 2 more circles. We use a lot of circles in this one. And we're going to kind of give this guy like a little punky haircut. There we go. And now what we're going to do is we're going to just rough this in. Or fill it in, rather. Let's start here with the hair. Like I said, this is kind of a punky look for this guy. We're just going to zigzag along here, and then finally this long piece of hair there. And let's see, we're just going to go down along the side of the head. This circle here is going to be an ear. There we go. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Circle there is going to be an ear. And this is like an outside of a cheek. Going to come around, follow this circle around. There we go. We're going to fill out this cheek. Meet that right there. Now you see how we've filled out the face. And all we're going to do right here, we're going to draw like an S for his ear. And this is going to be a backward S right here. There you go. So let's fill in the eyes. There we go. Do the eyelids, like a half moon like that. I'm going to do the eyebrows. Just fill those in. Another like half moon shape almost. Quarter moon, whatever you want to call it. Fill in the eyes. Leave that little white dot in the middle. Now for the nose, we're just going to do a half circle and then draw a couple of lines coming out like that for his nostrils, and then even 1 line over here. There you go. Then for the mouth, we're just going to very quickly trace what we did. We're going to fill in that little cheek area on the side there. And then do the lower part of the mouth. We're going to do the lower lip. And then for teeth, we're just going to do some lines. And there you go. You got a happy looking guy. All you got to do is knock out those pencil marks with an eraser, and you have yourself a finished cartoon. So you have a great day, and we will see you on the next one.